Hi and welcome to another weekly instalment of the FIS Oil and Bunker Market Update. Not quite the week we expected on Brent. Some significant volatility. We saw the market off around 8% yesterday. There's been a whole host of reasons cited for this. Bloomberg mentioned a stronger dollar, weaker equities, lack of demand in Asia, an uptick in coronavirus cases. But ultimately, I think, looking back retrospectively this week, I think the market has probably risen too fast too soon. Potentially, we've seen some people take some long positions off the market. We saw at least 4 technical support levels broken yesterday, which kind of in turn created a bit of a snowball effect. I mean, an 8% move, no matter what way you look at it, is quite a significant move without any real fundamental reason. Usually would attribute that to a Trump tweet or something from OPEC, but it kind of took everyone by surprise, really. In terms of the fuel market, what impact that has had, we are about $50 a tonne weaker now on the front month Singapore contracts than we were at the start of the week. The high sulphur crack market has strengthened as the Brent market has come off. This has had an impact on the scrubber spread, so the high 5 spread. We've seen that narrow up to around $10 per tonne. But I think going forward, looking at Brent in particular, and obviously the impact that's going to have on fuel oil, we're trying to kind of clambering around to find some technical support levels. I think there was probably a bit of an oversell yesterday. We've seen the market acting pretty erratically today. It was coming off originally first thing this morning. We've seen it bounce back a touch then. I think everyone's just trying to find where the bottom is. And hopefully next week we should be given that answer. We'll find a new support level, and I think the market needs to stabilise a touch, and we'll probably see that retrospectively on the fuel market as well. I wish you all a lovely weekend, and I'll give you an update next week.